What if I told you there's an AI that can help you manage your money, create a budget, and even review your investment strategy, all for free? That's ChatGPT, and honestly, most people have no idea how powerful it can be for personal finance. But here's the thing. Using ChatGPT for money decisions isn't as simple as just asking it what stocks to buy. You need to know exactly how to use it, what it's actually good at, and where it falls short. Get this wrong, and you could end up making worse financial decisions than before. So today, we're breaking down exactly how to leverage ChatGPT for your finances, the real prompts that work, the limitations you need to know about, and how to combine AI with human judgment to actually improve your money life. Let's start with budgeting. This is where ChatGPT genuinely shines. Instead of struggling to create a budget from scratch, you can literally paste your monthly expenses into ChatGPT and ask it to categorize them, identify spending patterns, and suggest areas to cut back. It's like having a financial advisor who works at the speed of light. You could say something like, "Here's my spending for the last 3 months. Where am I bleeding money?" And ChatGPT will give you a breakdown in seconds. It can even help you build a personalized budget based on the 50-30-20 rule: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. This alone can save you hours of spreadsheet work. Now let's talk about debt payoff strategies. ChatGPT can help you compare different methods, the snowball method versus the avalanche method, for example. You describe your debts with interest rates, and ChatGPT calculates which approach saves you the most money and gets you debt-free fastest. It's like having a calculator that actually explains the strategy behind the numbers, but here's where people go wrong: investing research. A lot of folks ask ChatGPT, "Should I buy Apple stock?" and expect a real answer. That's not how this works. ChatGPT's knowledge cuts off at a certain date. It doesn't have real-time market data, and it absolutely cannot predict the future. What it can do is help you understand fundamental concepts, like what a PE ratio means, how to read a company's financial statements, or the difference between growth and value investing. Use it as an educational tool, not a stock picker. Think of it like this: ChatGPT is your study buddy, not your financial advisor. For retirement planning, ChatGPT is genuinely useful. You can ask it to explain the differences between a Roth IRA, a traditional 401k, and a CP IRA based on your specific situation. You can paste in your retirement timeline and current savings and ask it to model different scenarios. You can even ask it to break down Social Security benefits and how they factor into your overall plan. Again, this is educational and strategic. It's not telling you exactly what to do, but it's helping you understand your options. Here's another powerful use case: automating your financial decision-making. Ask ChatGPT to create a system for tracking your net worth, building a financial dashboard, or setting up automated savings. It can even help you write scripts for automating bill payments or investment contributions. Essentially, you're using it to create a personal finance operating system tailored to your life. One more thing that's incredibly underrated: ChatGPT can help you learn. Ask it to explain complex topics like compound interest, asset allocation, tax-advantaged accounts, or inflation. Use it to quiz yourself on financial concepts. This might sound boring, but financial literacy is the foundation of wealth. The more you understand, the better decisions you make, and ChatGPT can speed up that learning curve dramatically. But let's be real about the limitations. ChatGPT doesn't know your full financial picture. It doesn't understand your personal risk tolerance without you explaining it. It can't account for tax implications in your specific situation. It's not regulated, and it's not a substitute for a certified financial planner, especially for complex situations like estate planning or tax strategy. Use it for clarity and education, not final decisions on major moves. So here's my recommendation. Use ChatGPT to understand your finances better, explore different strategies, and automate your systems. But for big decisions, whether you should take out a mortgage, change your investment allocation, or make major career moves with financial implications, talk to a licensed financial advisor. ChatGPT is an amazing tool that most people are sleeping on. If you combine it with good financial habits and real expertise, you can genuinely transform your money situation. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. Always consult a licensed financial advisor before making major financial decisions. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your biggest money question. I read every single comment, and I might make a whole video answering it. Thanks for watching.